Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner, guys. Dear YouTubers, second time I'm recording this episode because I'm not editing anything. You know, what you see is what you get. If I'm clusterfucking my work, you will see that exactly the way I've done it. If I'll correct my mistakes, you will see clearly how I've done. If I'm diagnosing something and I can't go anywhere, you see it, yes? So then I'm trying to record another episode and another episode. With it, this radio was episode 1, which we found a diode. I replaced it with another diode, which is working fine, brilliantly. I've ordered replacements, the original replacements for this particular one model. And I've switched it on, I've assembled everything together, just bit by bit. So it was fully working radio. And then I had a let's say problem with diagnosis, because I couldn't start it, I couldn't turn it on. I thought maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it turns out no, I was doing everything right. So I've disassembled it and I went across the main board, and there are two. Okay, one is a MOSFET, second is a voltage regulator. Whole voltage regulator consists of one sort of a MOSFET, you can say, or something like that. So okay, anyways, I'll switch on the monitor. I had to fix it because it wasn't working. So on my line where I keep everything hooked up, I was having the bench power supply. This one here, unfortunately, didn't go well. Start to give me a headache. Okay, so that's the diode which was swapped. That's the one. But anyways, that's working, so that's fine. What we need to focus on is we need to supply voltage and check those voltage regulators. So I've got a ground, which I fixed because there was an issue with the ground, and I've got a plus 12 volts. You can switch on the power supply, and it's 12 volts and 0 amps. So let us check this on the ground. And where is my red probe? Anybody see my red probe? Here, and let's switch on this. So we should see some voltage. Look, it's 12 volts, yes? So this power supply will go to that coil, or to that capacitor. That capacitor has 12 volts, and that's minus, so that shouldn't anything, yes? But now the next stuff is this here, MP1584EN, yes? So let's check those bigger leg, that's 12 volts. And here's some other big one, that's 0. So that's 0 on this side, 0.1 on this side only. Yes? That's not fair, yeah? And that's only 1 volt, okay? So if that would be a capacitor, because that's C24, so on the one side it should have a minus to the ground, that's 0.62, and on the second side it should have a plus. So we see now where is a plus, because we've got a minus on the meter. Yes, I don't know if you can see that clearly. Maybe now will be more vivid. So then you will know where is a plus and where is a minus. Okay? Now it's 0. Yay. Happy days. But it was. When I was checking like that, it was 0.62. So that's a plus. So here should be minus. Yes? Oh, guess what? It's 1. So it can be a bit confusing, yeah? That's why you need to have a datasheet for it. But the common sense is if the voltage is going in here, 12 volts, it should go out. Yes? So nothing going out here, and even without checking the datasheet, you should have more than 1 volt here. Okay? So then again, this coil will have 1 volt. Count, show that I'm showing. And that's 1 volt out on this coil. So let's see, so that's a problem, and now it's the second one. The second one I couldn't find, believe it or not. Stevie B have helped me, so thank you to Stevie B. That's 4807 MOSFET. This babe here. I couldn't find it, just literally I just couldn't find it. So again, every MOSFET has 3 things which we are interested, yes? Volt in, volt out, and the driver for it, yes? Let's see here on this side. Can I? Oh, I'm on a minus. So that's 1 volt. So now these pins, nada, like Spanish saying, yes? And here these two are connected, interconnected. So this is nothing. So this one we can't say that we know for sure, yes? We can't because we don't have a power. Oh look, I was wrong. It's coming here. It's 10.9 volt. Okay? So something should go out of it as well. At least, you know, like 3 volts or something, at least. But I don't know what it is. I'm just guessing. Maybe it should go out more. Okay? So if we know that here comes something, something should go out. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, 0.4. So this I have to order as well. So guys, as you see, we've got an issue. I haven't seen more of them, so I didn't check, but I don't see, you know, like point of chasing anything else. If I don't have these, it's no point for me to investigate it any further, because I know that we had a short, we removed the short, and now we've got lack of power, and that's the first in line, because that's how the power supply goes. So what else I could do here? Well, the best way is to order. That's why I've ordered the first one. Now I know which one is the second one. I'm trying to confirm and order it as well, because there are different packagings, which we know which packaging we need, and there are different a bit specification in them, so I need to make sure that I'm ordering the right one. Now the only problem is that the one which I found that I can buy, it's different, so I will look, you know, and make sure that I'm ordering the right one. But anyways, you know, we've got a MOSFET. The MOSFET doesn't have full power, so yeah, so we need to replace these two components. That's why it will be another part. Customer already know, and already know that I've ordered first component, and I will be looking for the second one, but I wanted you to see it, you know, and for you to understand it as well, you know, what's happening with this radio. I can put everything back together now after ordering it, and I can move to another job, yes, and wait on this. We've got a that's not sealant for the boobies, no guys, come on, be respectful. That's not earrings as well, yes, but that's stuff for the Philips, for the vintage stuff, so we can try to install it. And we're still missing one order for that. That's why, you know, I've got other jobs, I will do other jobs. We've got a welder, which I don't fix welders, but anyways, I'm fixing now welders. We got a Technics amplifier, which will be done after my holiday. We've got inverter, which I will finish after the holiday because of too much hassle. I would have to overcharge customer like for the value and everything. So I said I can do it, you know, cheaper, but I can do it after the holiday, not now. And what else? What else? And we got other stuff, like tons of stuff, guys. We got like so much stuff. But these ones first, and I need to start putting to the shop power supplies, main boards of the TVs which I bought as a cracked screen, like that one here. Yeah. So take it apart, get parts on the side, sell it. Yes, or make it available so that on the local market here, when somebody will need those, they will be able to check what I have in stock. They will be able to buy them off me instead of going to eBay, waiting 3 days, you know, like. Whereas these parts are coming from working TV. You switch it on, you see it, and then you take it apart. I've switched on this one. I know what's wrong. It's just a cracked screen. Everything works fine. So I'm super happy if somebody will need those parts. If not, maybe I will need them in the future, who knows. But anyways, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.